So recently, OnePlus launched the Oneplus Z Wireless neckband that can play music for 10 hours with a 10-minute charge. And we also have Oppo's Enco M31 with surreal sound quality and hi-fi music, which is not present in any neckband in this range. And then again, we have neckbands from Noise, Boat, Lenovo, etc, etc. So the question that has to be asked is, which is the best neckband to buy under 2000 rupees? And more importantly, which neckband is for whom? Well, this is Pratik from TechWiser.com and I tried the most popular neckbands available under 2000 rupees. But before we get to the review, check us out on Instagram because I'll be answering all the questions from these videos over there. We'll be giving away 5 Oppo Enco M31 because we believe these are the best sounding neckbands, period. All you have to do is follow us on Instagram.com/TechWiser, comment on the latest post about your favorite headphones or TWS and why. Details in the description below. So before we go, in this video we'll be covering Boat Bass Heads 335, Infinity Glide N100, OnePlus Bullets Z Wireless, Oppo Enco M31 Wireless Neckband, NoiseFit Tune Charge, Realme Wireless Neckband. We were about to release this video and we have these in the house. Boat Bass Heads 335 Wireless Neckband. God bless the naming scheme. It has a huge 30-hour battery life like no one else, Type-C, aptX HD and can connect to 2 devices at once. The audio quality is classic Boat, bass is too emphasized but doesn't creep into vocals. Soundstage is narrow but doable. You would like watching YouTube videos and Netflix on these. It cost 1,999 and in case you have a lower budget than these, then you can hop on to Infinity Glide N100. These cost exactly the same as Lenovo HE05 and comes with Bluetooth 5.0. The battery life is pretty average at 7 hours. These sound way better than both 255 and Lenovo HE05. And the soundstage is wider and these have a warm, balanced sound signature. You would enjoy Bollywood, rap songs, vocals, guitar cover on them. And hang on, they also have a dual EQ mode which is basically 2 sound signatures. If you press the volume plus and volume minus button together, you jump to bass mode, which in case you don't know what it is, And moving on, let's talk about my last year's favorite, Realme Wireless Neckband. Yes, the Alan Walker one. I recommend those for primarily 2 reasons. Magnetic play and pause. One feature which you will use every day and be odd every time it works. The battery life is 12 hours, which is great considering Lenovo, Boat and Infinity have only 8 hours. And even today, I would recommend you to get these over similar price neckbands. They still sound good with a warm sound signature. The treble rolls off a bit early but passable. The soundstage is better than all the neckbands I've talked about previously. You will love hearing all types of songs on these. However, it's 2020 and there are a couple of things missing on the Realme Wireless Neckband. Dual device connectivity, fast charging with Type-C. So for that, you have these. Okay. The NoiseFit Tune Charge offer one major feature over the Realme Wireless Neckband, dual device connectivity. And trust me, every Bluetooth audio wearable device, like every device should have multi-device connectivity. It's a pain in the back to connect a Bluetooth device from my phone to the laptop and back and forth. Anyways, once you connect the NoiseFit Tune Charge to your Android device, unpair it and then connect it with a Windows device. Once done, connect it back to your Android device and now you have it connected to 2 devices at once. And here's the best part. If you're watching a video on your Windows device and you suddenly get a call in the middle on your Android, it automatically pauses the video on Windows and jumps back to the Android device. Once you hang up the call, the video is played and the neckband is back to Windows. Seamless. Additionally, you also get a dual equalizer mode which takes you to bass mode. Remember? The only thing I would complain about is there's no magnetic play and pause. I mean, come on Noise, you can do that. It would have been hands down a complete package. So then what's the complete package you ask? Well, Oppo Enco M31. Next up we have Oppo Enco M31, which is quite popular amongst music enthusiasts. So I'll get straight to the point. Oppo offers 12-hour battery life, which is 10 to 11 hours in real life. Type-C charging, 10 minutes of fast charge gets you 4 to 5 hours of playback, and most importantly, these are the only ones in this range that offer LDAC hi-fi audio. Moreover, hands down, these are the best sounding neckbands in this range and even beyond 3000 to 4000 INR. the audio quality is just a treat. In case you don't know, with Bluetooth earphones, the audio needs to be coded at your mobile and then sent over to the earbuds and decoded over there. This brings Bluetooth codec algorithms in place. Coding, decoding, codec, you get that. LDAC Hi-Fi is one of the finest Bluetooth codecs present right now. To give you a perspective, LDAC or aptX HD or aptX LLC is better than AAC, which in turn is better than SBC. SBC is the bare minimum Bluetooth codec you get. But for LDAC, you would need a very high 960 kbps 24-bit audio file which neither Spotify or YouTube lets you stream. Both YouTube and Spotify maxes out at 320 kbps, so you'll get the same experience as AAC as in any of the other neckbands like Realme Buds Wireless, Noise Fit, Tune Charge, etc. With that out, the Oppo ones feature two more things. If you double tap the power button, it switches to bass mode. This mode is really insane and has a lot of reverb. Have it once in a while, but you can't watch YouTube videos or listen to Audible in the bass mode. So beware pressing that power button twice. Next, it can switch between two Bluetooth paired devices. Just press and hold the volume up and volume down button for 3 seconds and it switches to the previously connected device. It's not as seamless as Noise Fit, Tune Charge, but something's better than nothing. There are a few drawbacks on Oppo Enco M31 as well. They don't allow skipping to the previous next song, hence you would have to ask Google Assistant for that. The mic quality is also mediocre, so calling in outdoors and traffic is a big letdown. Talking about that, here's a microphone test of all Boat, Noise, Realme, Oppo and Oneplus neckbands. Here you go.
And this is the audio through the newly launched Boat Rocker 335, and do wash your hands for 20 seconds. So this is the audio to Noise Fit, Tune Charge. Again, same surroundings and you can guess what I'm doing. So this is the audio through the Realme Buds Wireless while washing my hands. Do wash your hands. So this is the audio you're hearing to Oppo Enco M31 under the same ambient surroundings and washing your hands. So this is the audio to the Oneplus Z Wireless. Again, same surroundings, washing hands.
Finally, a lot of people have hyped the Oneplus Z Wireless, but it's not that impressive. The only thing to like about the earphone is Smart Switch. You press the Smart Switch button twice and it seamlessly switches to the previously connected device. So you can always fiddle between your Android and laptop. But even the Oppo and Noise ones do the same. Plus the sound quality is mediocre. To give you a perspective in terms of audio quality, I would rank these neckbands in the following order: Oppo, Realme neckband, Noise Fit Tune Charge or Infinity N100, OnePlus Wireless Z, Boat Bass Heads 335. The only thing the OnePlus Z Wireless offers that none of these neckbands do is extreme fast charging and low latency gaming mode. It offers a battery life of about 20 hours and 10 minutes of charging provides you 10 hours of battery life, which no neckband in this video can do. For low latency gaming mode, you would have to have a OnePlus phone with Fanatic mode. Just head over to GameSpace, add your gaming app, enable Fanatic mode, and you can see the difference between latency. Here, this is the earbuds latency app, which gives you an exact estimate of audio and video latency, unlike YouTube. So here's a side-by-side number with Fanatic mode on and off. You can see there's a significant difference. So which one should you buy? Well, if you have a low budget, then Infinity Glide N100 is a good deal. If you can spend a bit more, then Noise Tune Charge is a good deal in 1500 INR or Realme Wireless neckband. For an excellent audio experience, Oppo Enco M31 hands down is a treat. In case you have a OnePlus phone and then Fanatic mode and you play PUBG, I mean COD or 4G, whatever's trending, then Oppo Z Wireless is the option. With that said, here's Pradeep signing off. Subscribe to TechWiser and see you soon.